Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an extension for your income tax return. Many people choose to file an extension for various reasons, like needing more time to gather all their necessary documents or dealing with a complex financial situation. An extension provides you with an additional 6 months to submit your federal tax return. This crucial step helps you avoid substantial late filing penalties, which can be as high as 5% of unpaid taxes per month, up to 25%. Filing an extension with TurboTax is a straightforward process. First, simply log into your existing TurboTax account, or if you are new, quickly create one. Once inside, use the search bar to look for phrases like File an Extension or just Extend. TurboTax will then guide you through their easy extension service, helping you accurately fill out and electronically submit IRS Form 4868, the official request for an automatic extension. There is no fee to file this extension through TurboTax. It is vital to understand that an extension only gives you more time to file your tax return, not more time to pay any taxes you owe. Your estimated tax payments are still due by the original April 15th deadline. If you fail to pay your taxes by this date, you could face interest charges, currently around 7% compounded daily, and late payment penalties of 0.5% per month, up to 25% of the unpaid amount. After successfully submitting your extension request through TurboTax, you will typically receive an electronic confirmation from the IRS within 48 hours. This confirmation means your new filing deadline is generally October 15th, granting you a full 6 additional months to prepare your return. Use this extended period wisely to ensure all your information is accurate and complete, helping you avoid errors and file your final tax return with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.